Located on a quiet street in Hespeler, this is more than just a home, it provides a family home with an extra special bonus space attached. Inside, the main floor boasts practical features such as a laundry room and modern eat-in kitchen. The kitchen has newer stainless appliances and ample counter space with the living room and dining room just beyond. The upper floor has 3 bedrooms, with the primary bedroom adding a touch of luxury with its private walkout to a deck, perfect for enjoying quiet moments at this elevated fresh air escape. There's even more finished space in the basement. One of the standout features of this property is the in-law suite, a self-contained space with its own separate entrance and private deck. Complete with a gas fireplace in the living room, a kitchenette, bedroom, and 3-piece bath, this suite is ideal for accommodating family members or guests, providing both privacy and comfort. This home is ready now, offering a versatile, comfortable, and accommodating living space. To fully appreciate the potential of making this remarkable property your own, seize the opportunity to schedule a viewing today.